Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making Ovaltine biscuits, Ovaltine cookies, and I'm using all-purpose flour, cooking oil, icing sugar, cocoa powder, Ovaltine powder, butter, milk, baking powder, baking soda, milk powder, and cornstarch. I'm placing 100 grams of butter in a bowl. I'm using a wooden spoon to break that up a little. I'm adding 100 grams of icing sugar to the butter, and I'm going to cream the butter and the sugar. I'm using a wooden spoon at first, and then I'm going to use a whisk, and I'm creaming those thoroughly. I'm adding 50 grams of cooking oil, and I'll mix that with the rest of the ingredients. Then I'll add the baking soda, baking powder, the cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of that, and 1 tablespoon milk powder. I'm going to combine the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. Now it's time to add the milk. I'm adding 50 grams of milk to the mixture. I'll stir that in. Then I'll add 2 tablespoons cocoa powder and 3 tablespoons Ovaltine powder. I'll combine the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. Now it's time to add the flour. I'm going to add the flour in small portions. I'm going to add 50 grams at a time, and I'm going to use a spatula to mix that in at first. As the dough gets stiffer, then I'll use my fingers to combine the last portion, and I'll form that into a ball and place that back in the bowl, cover it with plastic wrap, and place that in the refrigerator for an hour. Once that's done, then I'll remove that and then cut it into 2 parts. Place one half back in the refrigerator and then form the other one into a ball. I'm flouring a pastry mat lightly, and I will place the dough in the center. Then I'll cover it with parchment paper and then roll it out using a rolling pin to about 1/4 of an inch. Then I will cut the dough into desired shapes. Here I'm using a spatula to remove the cookie from the pastry mat, and I'm placing it on a baking sheet which has been covered with parchment paper. I'll bake this in an oven at 190 degrees Celsius for 8 to 10 minutes. Once done, then I'm going to cool them on a cooling rack and then store them in an airtight container. The biscuits are crispy, and not only that, they're not very sweet, and therefore they can be enjoyed by diabetics. This video is dedicated to Beryl Alexander Baillie. It was created by her daughter, Dr. Baillie. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.